Hello again. I am Aditi Dubey. When we think of cancer research, the word hope often feels fragile, tentative, fleeting. But in German laboratories, hope is being translated, quite literally, into code, molecules, and algorithms. This is the frontier of oncology, and Germany is walking it with a quiet, powerful confidence. Let's begin with immunotherapy, the science of using the body's own immune system to fight cancer. 10 years ago, this was a whispered revolution. Today, it's a clinical reality, and German scientists have been at its core. Institutes like the German Cancer Research Center in Heidelberg, the DKFZ, have been instrumental in unlocking how immune checkpoints like PD-1 and CTLA4 can be modulated to disarm cancer. What once felt impossible, turning immune cells into soldiers against tumor, is now a standard of care in melanoma, lung cancer, and brain. But let's go even further to CAR T cell therapy. Imagine this: doctors remove T cells from a patient, reprogram them genetically to recognize cancer, then infuse them back. It's like teaching a bloodhound to smell only the scent of one enemy and letting it loose. Germany has played a key role in refining this technology, especially for leukemias and lymphomas. Clinical trials are ongoing, manufacturing is being scaled, and safety profiles are improving with every passing month. And yet, innovation here doesn't stop at the microscope, it extends into silicon. Germany is leading Europe charge in AI for oncology, not as a replacement for doctors, but as an ally in their thinking. Across hospitals in Munich, Berlin, and Dresden, AI tools are being trained to detect tumors on scans with remarkable accuracy, often flagging what human eyes might miss. These systems don't just look at one image, they scan patterns across years of patient data, drawing insights about risk, prognosis, even the most likely treatment response. There is also a silent revolution in predictive modeling using multi-omic data. That's genomics, proteomics, metabolomics. Scientists are building risk profiles that can forecast cancer years before the first symptom. It's not science fiction. It's already being piloted in pancreatic and colorectal cancer prediction projects funded by the Federal Ministry of Education and Research. And then there is digital health. Germany, often criticized for its caution in digitization, it's rapidly catching up in oncology. Electronic patient records, once fragmented, are being integrated. Tele-oncology services are expanding, especially for rural patients, and apps for cancer survivors tracking fatigue, medication, mood, nutrition are becoming a quiet companion through treatment. In fact, under Germany's Digital Health Act, several of these health apps can be prescribed by doctors and reimbursed by insurance, a model many countries are now studying. But innovation isn't just about gadgets and genes, it's about vision, a belief that the war on cancer will not be won with silver bullets, but with networks of knowledge. Germany's strength lies in its ecosystems, where university hospitals, biotech startups, AI firms, and patient advocacy groups talk to each other. It's not perfect, but it's collaborative. And it's international. German labs are co authoring with peers in Israel, the US, Japan. Clinical trials are shared across borders. AI models are tested with pan European datasets. The cancer moonshot has no passport, after all. But let me offer a moment of humility. Not every patient sees the benefit of these advances. Not yet. CAR T is still expensive. AI tools require validation and regulation. Digital health adoption has gaps, especially among older populations. Still, we are moving from reactive to predictive. from generalized to personalized, from treating disease to preempting it. And Germany, with its unique blend of scientific rigor, public funding, and ethical debate, is shaping that future, not just for its citizens, but for the world. The face of cancer is changing, and so is the fight. This was episode 16. I am Aditi Dubey. Thank you for joining me.